welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Nimit Pawan. I'm really happy if you take over and subscribe to my channel below. So it's 6th of January. 6th of January, 11:12 p.m. 11:12 p.m. like 11/12. So you saw my this video, the Kashmir fail video, and obviously we weren't going to Kashmir because we all get COVID positive. But we were thinking that we shall go on 4th. All of my family members were tested negative, rather than me, and I was tested negative on the 1st or the 2nd. So and we didn't have any symptoms. Only my mom has some slight symptom, but now she's okay. So we thought to delay our plans and let's go to Kashmir on the 7th morning. So literally, the plan is final right now that we are going right now, like tomorrow morning, like this morning we are going. So it's a sudden plan, but a planned sudden plan. So you don't even know that what I'm saying. Like you got me what I'm saying. Okay. So the main point is that now I have to repack all my stuff because I literally unpacked my stuff 2 days before that because I thought now nobody will go. So you can see, I'll show you just a second. See, these are my clothes which I had to take. These are my new shoes, and this is the rest of the kabar that is stored in the almari. So yeah, Almira closet to be specific. So and my literally my grandma's clothes are still packed. You know, like she had a feeling that we'll go or something. I don't know what that, but her clothes are packed literally. I'll show you in a while if I can, if I go down because I need to pack a lot of stuff. Okay, I need to pack my camera. Like I bought a GoPro a few time back, not a GoPro exactly, but like something of a GoPro, and I haven't used it yet. While I just used it once in my Republic Day vlog, I guess. Yeah, maybe. So I'll vlog because I had to take that because in snow I cannot use my phone a lot because we ski a lot. So I need to record everything. So for you guys. Yeah, so that's the main thing. So I'll repack all my stuff. I have to take. I'm shooting this on 6th, so I'll upload this on 7th or 8th. So I'm thinking to do that, not rather than having a complete vlog, but do some daily vlog something. So if you want it, then please like. So I'll let you know. Now I'll have to bring the Daichi suitcase and repack my stuff. It's a lot of work. See ya.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so we have packed. Here's my Attachi suitcase again. And here is this person who is trying to sleep from past 1 hour, but he hasn't slept yet. And also see this guys. It's everything I want to take. Yeah, so now I'll probably go to bed and I'll sleep in an hour because late ही नींद नहीं आती है. So yes guys, thank you. Bye. कल सुबह मिलते हैं. Good morning guys. So it's 6 a.m. right now. I woke up at 4:43 a.m. as I know, and you know what I saw when I came out of my room? My mom and dad were still packing and they haven't slept the whole night. So cheers. अब वो फ्लाइट में जाके सो जाएंगे और.
तो रुको जरा सबर करो.
I will watch a movie. So the current update is all the luggage is packed. Only the cosmetics are left, so they are getting packed right now. And then we'll leave for Gulmarg. Very excited I am. Okay, so I don't know if you are able to hear me. Mostly you can turn on the captions if they are available. So we are finally at the airport. I'm not showing you my Aadhaar card picture at all. I look horrible. So this is gate number 5. So this is gate we are going to gate number 4. Hello Garvit, are you excited?
Yes.
You know what? We both are traveling in the flight after almost 2 years or more because my grandmother and my father have already traveled once or twice. And I guess my mother has also. So we three are traveling for the first time in 2.5 years. So it's so exciting. Yeah, let's go. Okay, bestie. So now I'm having my Starbucks and we just had McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's. I guess I had my piri piri fries and my McAloo tikki burger. That was the best thing I could ever have in the airport. So now I'm heading towards my gate. It's 58, so it's a long run. I'll probably find an auto thingy जो होता है यहाँ पे. So या तो उस पे जाएंगे या तो फिर देखते हैं. Let's go, besties. Okay, so we checked in, and now we are off to our flight. Let's go.
Please give me.
Thanks, guys. He is my Ramu Kaka for helping me. Hello, Mr. Kaka. Mr. Kaka, Ramu Kaka. So now let us go. Let us pass this way. besties, we have landed in Kashmir. Hello, mom.
Hello, yeah.
मम्मा अपना स्टैम्प दिखाओ.
Yes.
तो गाइस, इस स्टैम्प के बिना आप अपने एयरपोर्ट से बाहर नहीं निकल सकते. इसको भी आना होगा. And it's raining already, and it's in the forecast. It's written it will snow in 1 to 2 hours. So I hope that it snows when I'm here. Always 24/7 snows. I will eat. You know, I need to use limited words in this area right now. Snow, soup, coffee, video, reels, photo. Only. That's what I'm doing, and sleep. So yeah, we'll do a car and we'll go to Gulmarg now. Directly Gulmarg. It's a 1.5 hour way, and the drive is the most beautiful part of the trip. This भाई साहब. And also guys, यहाँ पे मेरा सिम तो चल नहीं रहा है, पर सिर्फ मम्मी पापा का सिम चलेगा. So maybe I have taken like this thing, a sim. Oh my God, she is Kashmiri Paharan लड़की already, beautiful woman, young lady. So now we'll take the car and let's go best friend. Go best friend, let's go. Oh my God, guys, it's snowing. Like literally it started snowing. Thank you, भैया. हमें सही रास्ते पे लाया. Guys, यहाँ पे literally देखो, अगर आपको इतना दिख नहीं रहा होगा, but if I show you like आगे जाके थोड़ा, guys ये देखो, it's totally snowing. Oh my God, I'm so dying. Oh my God. Ooh. Guys, this is second time seeing snow because I just saw snow the first time in Mount Atlas. He's on the video call. So yeah, oh my God, guys, see, the car is stopped. Oh my God, I'm done. Okay, guys, I just switched on my camera. I hope I am audible. Okay, I will put subtitles or what if I am not. But oh my God, guys, it's snowing. We just like reached Tanma. From there we will go to Gulmarg. You know, we are not even in Gulmarg, and it started snowing. And you can see like how beautiful is this. Okay. Oh my God, guys, see my steps. Oh my God, my mom has already slipped once. Oh my God, guys, and this is the car in which we are going. So you know it's all covered in snow. I will write love KP Kashmir Pahawa. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay guys, so we bought some jackets. These are the jackets, like you know, waterproof jackets with waterproof shoes for going to Gondola and up. So yeah, I vlogged from my GoPro thingy at the moment that we arrived at the snow. Guys, और मत मारियो, please. Snowballs मारने को बहुत हो. So we arrived there, but I recorded my camera. I hope the audio is recorded, and if not, I'll just add some music over it. But guys, this is so cool. Oh my God, you can just see this, okay? This is literal beauty, okay? And now we are everybody is changing, like not changing, trying their sizes. Sorry. So everybody's trying their sizes, and now we'll buy everything for 2 days because we are 2 days in Gulmarg. Till now, we can change the plans and make it 3 days. You will know, okay? And you know, the camera cannot do justice to it, but it's literal beauty, guys. You can see, like I am walking in snowfall. It's going on, and what's that? Huh? What do you care? But if you come over here, just be safe because it's a lot of slippery. So you gotta take care, okay? Okay, y'all. This was the best drive I could ever think of because oh my God, like guys, this is our hotel, and this was one of the best drive I could ever have because of the snow, because of everything. You know, it's still snowing. It's been 2 hours now that we have come in snow region. Okay, I have been thus the snow. I don't know why. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So now we'll check in, and now I'll show you my room in a bit, and then we'll probably make some videos outside our hotel only. This hotel, the snow. What do you think? Where I'll go? Nowhere. Okay, come along and have a room tour. So obviously, always my room starts with a long mirror. So yeah. Check.
Then here's a suite room with a bed and TV and a laundry table, and then it's a cute balcony with the amazing view that I can die for. Then I'll turn around and show you the washroom. Obviously, washroom has a perfect mirror for my selfies. So जुगाड़ हो रखा है भाई साहब. So moving towards the left, we have a cute tub with a cute view, so you can shower and view. And then I'll show you the shower area, and yeah, I'll go and I'll sign off by the mirror. Thank you. Okay, so we have not. Okay, so now I have changed, and I have वापस दस दिन the धरती of India. So now I am Mr. Raichand. This is a clip of my whole outfit. So yeah, so now I will take some pictures. I will make reels. Yeah, so I'll meet you up. I need to do it before the light goes, or otherwise I have to become Mr. Raichand again tomorrow. Thank you, bye. So yes, guys, that was it for the video. Hope you liked my first day in Kashmir, Gulmarg. It was a very fun day, and finally we saw snowfall for the first time, like actual snowfall. We went to Switzerland a while back. We saw a little bit snowfall there, like for 10-15 seconds, but then the security guards in the Mount Atlas mountain, they sent us back to like the inside area. But this was the proper time we saw snowfall, and it was very good. And now we are in the hotel, so it's heated, so I am wearing half sleeves. But don't get me wrong, it's minus 13 degree outside, okay? So hope you like the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe on day 2 vlog coming soon. Thank you guys, bye.